What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Just wanted to quickly show. I don't think I've shown you guys how to use like the hotkeys and stuff like that when it comes down to using the TD Ameritrade thinkorswim platform. If you guys don't have access to TD Ameritrade, you guys can simply Google it. It's a free platform. If you're especially within the United States, you can submit an application for neighboring countries and stuff like that. So I would encourage, if you haven't checked it out, check it out already. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is my second time trading JNUG for the day. And one thing that I wanted to show you guys is how you could use hotkeys. So, or how at least you can control them. So you can click on setup right here. You can click on application settings, and then on the top bar, if it pops up, it should say hotkeys, and then it should give you a breakdown on what it is that you have to use to be able to initiate your hotkeys. So active trader, enable, and then as you guys can see, these are my commands that I use on my keyboard to be able to properly use these hotkeys. Very simple, right? One thing that we called out as of yesterday, right? You know, you could have day traded this multiple times today, but one thing that we called out as of yesterday was the day trade potential that JNUG offered from a support at around $13 to overall resistance at 1340. Where did it peak out today? 1340, exactly just like it did yesterday. So let's look at a 3-day, 15-minute analysis. You can see after this huge sell-off, let's just focus on here after it dipped and bounced back up. Again, 1340 resistance. If you guys saw my Instagram story, you guys would have seen that I called it out within the Learn Plan Profit private group. I called out the bounce at $13 before it actually bounced, called out the resistance. Very simple pattern. Overall 180-day analysis. You could see that, let me zoom out a little bit. Let me move this. So you can see that overall, $13 tends to be a pretty solid support level, as you guys can see right here. So, we have that understanding that, 13 can be a good potential support. What do? We wait for a bounce. We wait for the validation that it is actually bouncing and trending up above the EMA. And that's exactly what we did. We waited for it to bounce off the bottom VWAP, break above 13, showing signs of an uptrend, and we're able to, scalp it to highs of 1340. I caught a flight, from Arizona to California. I'm actually here with Graham, or Graham, like how we like to call him. We're going to go grab lunch in just a little bit. But as you can see, I had that sell-off bounce here at around 1320, pushed up to about 1335, pulled back, bounced at around 1310. But realistically, what we want it to continue to do is to hold above this middle VWAP. If it continues to hold above that middle VWAP, that's VWAP. I have a video on that if you don't understand what that study filter is. One thing that I want you guys to keep a very close eye on is the highs that it continues to make. It continues to make lower highs. So what do I mean by that? Well, I hit 1340 here, hit about 1335 here, and then the second time I hit about 1330. So realistically, if you're wanting to cover profits, you might want to potentially, cover profits anytime soon, right? Just realistically, this could be a potential sell point. So let's see where we're at right now. I would be more than happy to cover profits here. So what is it that I'm going to do? I'm just going to move down my limit order, and I'm going to snap it where it is that I want to, and I'm going to put it at 1330. I'm going to go ahead and click send order, and let's see if I get filled. So there we go. Let's see where that level 2 is at. So we can see that there's buyers here at 1327. We have buyers here at 1328. There's a little pullback right now. But realistically, I'm in no rush to sell it. I'm going to be busy throughout the day. So I just thought I'd cover my last profit for the day. And that's really just it. So let's see if it ends up getting filled. But just wanted to showcase very quickly for all those that are joining us live. I want to race your GTR again. What's going on, Ralph? I'll race you in the McLaren. Come to Arizona. But yeah, let's go ahead and see. Let me move this a little bit. Move this on over. Remove level 2. That's not really working. But here we go. Just so you guys can see this. What's going on, man? So I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I kept it very simple today, and so it's not at 1330 just yet. We're around 1327, so we should have buyers at a little bit of a higher price point now, 1329. Boom, boom. Let's see if you guys will hear that beautiful sound of getting filled, unless that sound comes when we hit our stop loss and stuff like that. What's going on, guys? So can someone explain why this is going down? Hello, Ralph versus Ricky. We placing bets? No bets here. That engage you. All right, guys. Just wanted to showcase very quickly how you guys can access your TD Ameritrade hotkeys if you guys did not know already. And just wanted to showcase some of my profits for the day. Very simple pattern. We keep it very simple altogether. If you guys like the way that I break things down, and as you guys have seen, I've not taken one red day this entire year. I would encourage you. We have over 85,000 members within our free Technical Solutions networking platform. That's the third link in the description. And if you would like to work with me and speak to me on a daily basis, I have a private group. So I have a lesson library, so you'll learn everything it is that you need to know on what has led to my success. But not only that, because the market's always changing, I want to make sure that I get to speak to you every single day. And that's exactly what we do within the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library. So if you guys can invest 45 seconds of your life and click that first link in the description, I would love to be a part of your success. And if you don't want to, then feel free to join our free group altogether. If you guys can click the thumbs up button, that would let me know that you guys like this video. But altogether, hope you guys all have an amazing day. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives in your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. If you guys want to stay up to date with my profits, feel free to follow me on Instagram. The link should be down below. And I post everything there and for my day today as well. So thank you guys again. Take it easy.